Hello, everyone. My name is Gaspard de Dreuzy. I'm one of the co-founders at Kapitall, and this is Antonio, our head of technology. We define Kapitall as the fusion of gaming and investing. It's the third time that we present at Finovate over the last few years. The first time we introduced our practice portfolios that people can use to learn and practice investing with Kapitall. Then we introduced our live portfolios that people can use to invest and trade using our capital generation brokerage. And today we'd like to show you how you can use Kapitall to play the market with some friends and at no risk. So we've created various portfolio tournaments on Kapitall. So this one is called the Market Masters. It's a monthly tournament where people can compete against friends and other capitalists and compete with the Dow Jones Index over a period of a month. So it all starts on the playground. The playground is the name of our drag-and-drop user interface. And the playground deploys those icons that you can move around. This icon here is a tournament portfolio for you to play in the Market Masters. It starts with $100,000 of virtual cash. And if you click on it, it opens up full screen and displays a leaderboard with all the participants in that tournament ranked based on the performance of their portfolio. All the portfolios in that particular tournament are public, meaning that if you want to see what any of the participants are trading as we're speaking, you can then double-click on any of the portfolios and it will show the performance and the trading activity of that particular user, which I think is very cool. The other icon here is the represented Dow Jones, which is kind of the opponent that you compete against in that tournament. The game is to find and trade stocks in the Dow Jones Index. So a good place to start is by using a tool, the Super Screener tool, that basically shows all the stocks in that particular index. And you can use various criteria to screen down that index and identify interesting companies that you'd like to trade. So from here, you can select a few companies that you're interested in and then just save them onto your playground. So you can then analyze them a little bit further. So those companies are now here on the playground. And experienced investors that like to further analyze those companies can use tools in that palette to, for example, compare those companies on various criteria. So this is a comparison of those companies that I selected on the market cap over time. And Kapitall features a lot of tools that can help investors analyze those companies. Once you identify companies that you like and that make sense for you to invest in, you can trade any of those stocks by simply dragging them into your tournament portfolio. You then enter the number of shares, say 100 shares, and click on buy to place that trade. One of the great things about Kapitall is that everything that you do, whether you trade, you research, you communicate with friends, you score points that you can see here, and then you level up. And when you level up, you collect coins with a K, which is Kapitall's virtual currency. And you can go to the Kapitall store to use those coins and purchase different stuff, including those boosts that you can purchase to use for your tournament portfolio and increase your chances of winning the game. So one of my favorite boosts is what we call the Trade Rewind, which basically will let you undo your last trade in case you picked up a loser. So we have a bunch of boosts that people can purchase in the store and use in order to win cash prizes in the tournament. So these are just a few examples of how Kapitall leverages a very visual approach to financial data and game mechanics to make investing more easy and more engaging for investors of all levels. I'd like to announce also today.
Today we're launching our first weekly tournament that you can actually use your coins to buy into. And we've increased the cash prizes. So the top prize you'll see is $500. So come on over, compete against your friends, and see how it works.
Thank you very much.